Are you ready to change your financial future? Learn how the financially free build wealth with a simple framework. This guide breaks down effective strategies anyone can follow. Many people struggle to manage their money effectively. They often end up with little savings and overwhelming debt. But there is a proven framework that can help you build wealth systematically. First, let's talk about the 70-20-10 rule. Dedicate 70% of your income to monthly spending. This covers your living expenses like rent, groceries, and utilities. Next, allocate 20% to a growth fund. This money should be invested for future growth. The remaining 10% should go towards charitable contributions or savings for enjoyment, known as your joy fund. Having this structured approach can lead to wealth creation over time. Investing is essential for increasing your income. Start by researching different investment options. Explore stocks, ETFs, and mutual funds that align with your financial goals. Consider opening a Roth IRA to take advantage of tax-free growth. This account allows your investments to grow without being taxed, maximizing future returns. To further clarify how it all breaks down, think of this framework as 5 easy steps. Track your spending and adjust as needed. Regularly contribute to your growth fund. Invest wisely and consider tax-advantaged accounts. And don't forget to enjoy the fruits of your labor through your joy fund. In summary, by following the 70-20-10 rule, you can take control of your finances and build wealth over time. Start by reviewing your monthly budget. Clear out unnecessary expenses and allocate funds according to the framework. Now is the time to act. Take the first step towards financial freedom today. Implement this framework and watch your wealth grow